Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the display. Once you find it, select it, and here we have the option called auto lock. Tap on it, and as you can see we have list of durations here, and we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, 25, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and finally 5 minutes. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select 15 seconds. And then once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So basically, if I don't touch the touch screen or button, the screen will turn off to save the power. That's how it works. And it should take 15 seconds like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.